In English, we might say, does Pam have money? Well, in ASL, we'll go like this. All right, let's dive in and sign this question. And it starts with the name. So what are we going to do? That's right, finger spell. Here we go. P-A-M. We have Pam. Pam. Here's a sign for have. We're going to use both hands. These are the hand shapes. So if you start like this, fingers together, thumb alongside, just bend the fingers down. All right, now put them out here a little ways out from your body. The tips of your fingers pointing towards your chest and just go in. So when you stop, when you're finished, you're going to be lightly touching your chest. Have. From the side. Other side. From the front again, have, right. Here's a sign for money. Okay, we're going to use both hands. I'm right-handed, that's my dominant hand. So with my non-dominant hand, I'm going to make a flat hand like this, put it right there, palm facing up, that's my platform. My dominant hand, for me, my right hand, go like this, fingers all together, bring them down so they're touching the thumb, right? Now we're going to use the back of the fingers, flip it over, and just tap twice on our open hand. So we have money. Money. From the side. Other side. And the front again. Money. Yes. Okay, this is a yes/no question. So when you're signing money, I would raise those eyebrows, lean forward a little bit. Okay, let's practice. Sign with me. Let's do it all together, nice and slow. Here we go. Pam have money. All right, again. Pam have money. All right, let's speed up. Okay, now this is a useful sentence structure. Not only can we switch the name out with whatever name we want, we can also switch the name with the pronoun. Yes, and I know that you've already learned pronouns. So let's say I wanted to ask, you have money? How do we sign it? Go ahead. That's right. You have money? All right, how about if we wanted to ask, we have money? How would we sign it? That's right. We have money. Okay, let's sign this one more time. Here we go. Good, good. We just talked about how to sign Pam have money.